Would you like some too, Benny?
No.
Why not?
Because it's from snails.
Is wel wasmond hoor. Dan toch lekker niet?
Snaily.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear.
Good morning, amigas. Welcome back to my channel.
My freaking channel, amigas. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome back to the channel, amigas. Happy Vlogmas. This is officially one of the videos that I started, and it is Vlogmas. And today we are gonna set up the Christmas tree. That is that. Benny is currently making coffee, and after that we're gonna head to our garage to get all the Christmas tree stuff. We might get ready in the meantime. Like, we'll see how this day goes, okay? We will see. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. Happy Vlogmas officially. And we're gonna go ahead and get into this day. Make sure to give this video a like, a comment, and make also sure to subscribe to the channel. In that order. But yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, amiga, it's now time to decorate. We just brought up all the stuff from our basement, and I am currently demolishing this wreath that I made years and years ago. These were the balls that were attached to it, but I'm just really not feeling this color palette anymore, so I'm just thinking of like taking all of these little colored balls down, and maybe I can put them in a little vase and put them in the windowsill. And then maybe make another wreath with this little thing. And yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna organize all the stuff that I have, see what I already got, then like make a game plan of where I want everything. But first, like, it's an inventory time, so I'm gonna put out everything that we have and see what we can do with it. Okay, amiga, here we have all the decoration that I have, which is quite a lot. Some of them is still from our old place that we didn't use the past few years, and other stuff is stuff that I just collected over the years. I remember making this thing all by myself, like it's a little Christmas tree, which is cute. I'm gonna use it this year. And also I have this pink one that I think I'm gonna use in my office. It looks a little beat up, but it will do. You know, holidays are expensive enough. So yeah, I'm really excited to get started with all of this. I have quite a lot here. I also have like Christmas ornaments in a box, Christmas lights, all of that. So we're gonna get started. This is the spot where we're gonna place the Christmas tree. So I need to clear that out, find another place for the plant, and then we can put the Christmas tree up and decorate it, and then continue from there on. So yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so Christmas tree is on, lights are on, and now it's ornaments time. I feel like this is a hideous process, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me hanging everything up, okay? Okay, amiga, I finished decorating the living room. Let me give you a quick little tour. So here is our Christmas tree. I went with like everything that we already had. So that is amazing. It didn't cost me anything extra, which is great. But we have like these bauble ornaments, mostly in different colors, some with glitter and stuff. And I really like it. And we also have like these little paper thingies that I got last year at H&M Home. So I really like that. And then the star on top. So pretty happy with how this turned out. Then over here, let me put this in the drawer. And over here, we still have these roses. They are dying now. I got them for my collaboration with Naked, but they are at the edge of dying. So it's currently Wednesday as I'm filming this, and Saturday is the market again, the farmers market. So we're gonna try to get new ones Saturday. Hopefully something in the Christmas theme, so we will see. So here we have these candles. They are completely like burnt up and stuff, so we need to replace these. I'm not really sure yet if I'm gonna make new candles or if I'm gonna buy new ones at Action. And then here, this is my little touch of Christmas. I have this little flaky tree, and then this reindeer, another tree, and then I put this in my, how do you say this? This thing to water my plants. I just stuck this in here, which is like a little rose ornament. Then here we have my table. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna leave this. This is just something that I already have, but it doesn't really fit with the rest of the theme. But I thought like this looked a little sad by itself, so I'm not sure yet. But for now, you know, I'm gonna leave it like that. And here we have like a little candle, another reindeer, and another bougie candle as decor. And then here we also have a little touch of Christmas at the TV console. I have a baby reindeer, and then this little, I don't know how you call this, a wreath? Is this a wreath? No. I'm not sure what this is called. But anyways, that thing, I decided to put this here. And then that is our normal decor. And then the last touch of Christmas that we have is here. That is a little lighted tree situation. I don't know what to call it. And then this is a tree candle another like flower roses ornament, and then like some more candles that I use as decor, and then a candle in the middle that I'm gonna burn later when it gets darker again. And yeah, that's it. That is our little after. Oh, there are some boxes. I need to put them, or we're gonna bring them to the basement later. But yeah, this is an overview of our Christmas decoration thingy majingy. And it's now 2:40, so I'm not really sure yet what time I'm gonna get myself together, but I think I'm gonna rest a little bit, and then after that I will like pamper myself for the day and do like a little monthly reset, like wash my hair, shower, like pluck my eyebrows, all of that. But first I'm gonna relax a little bit, and then I'll get back to you. Hey amiga, we are now in my bathroom. I had some focaccia that Ben made for me, and now it is time to take care of me. My hair desperately needs to wash, and Benny and I are gonna do some skincare, like a little pamper routine. You know, house nice, we nice too. That's the vibe we're trying to go for. So first things first is showering and
nice, it looks like shit. I'm lying.
So first things first is showering and washing my hair, and then after that we're gonna continue with the rest. But yeah, shower time.
Hey, look. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and park. You be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you.
Don't mind these clothes in the back. I'm doing laundry. But amiga, by the way, I'm in a towel. And I just had the best shower ever. We used like I used all Rituals products. And Benny is now showering. And after this, we're gonna do like a little skincare together, Benny and I. But oh my god, best shower ever. Hair is now washed. I have it twisted and with product in it, so super happy about that. But yeah, just the best shower ever that I just had. Now I'm about to use this body oil. Let me show you. It's also from Rituals. It is their Serendipity body oil. It looks like this. And I'm about to use that now to oil up my body, you know, because it's cold outside.
You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might overdose, so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map. Oh yeah, yes. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support you. I can't give you the somebody, want us to believe that you somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it.
Oh ja, lip scrub. Ik denk niet wat hij heeft.
Ja, dat dacht ik ook. Maak op.
This is lip scrub, by the way.
And now the last time.
Yeah. Okay, now it's cream time or moisturizing time. I like this one from Diadermine, and Benny has one from Biotherm, I think.
Zomaar.
Oh, L'Oreal. L'Oreal Man Expert. Yes. Because it's winter now, my skin is extra dry, so I like to go in with the second one. This is the snail cream, just for some extra nourishment. Would you like some too, Benny?
No.
Why not?
Because it's from snails.
Is wel wat doen. Dan toch lekker niet?
Snaily.
Boy.
Snaily.
You have no idea how good this is.
Give me that.
Oh. Whoa.
Alright.
Alright. Then we also have like some serums.
For you.
You can have some too.
What will you serum?
Just for some extra nourishment, Benny.
What is... It's too much, Jennifer. Dan heb je snail. Dan heb je extra...
Once a week.
Wat is dit?
Gewoon insmeren, schat. Helpt die moisturizer nog beter naar je gezicht.
Jenny, it can't get any better.
It does.
Ew, why is it so slimy?
That's just how it is, Benny. That's just how serums are supposed to feel, Benny.
Hebben we nog iets hierna?
Nee, we zijn klaar.
Oké. Ew.
It feels amazing, Benny. It needs to dry. What is ew?
You always need to be extra.
Wat er gewoon in een keer hè, dat ik allemaal vieze dingen op mijn gezicht smeer.
Dit stinkt ook.
Het stinkt helemaal. Oh my god, why you be lying though? Oh my god. Anyways, I also have the organic cold press rosehip oil, and also the caffeine solution, which is for under the eyes. But I like to just see what my skin needs when I'm gonna apply my skincare and go accordingly. Right now I don't really feel like I need to brighten my under eyes, so I'm gonna skip on this one. And since I did like 2 face creams, I'm just gonna skip on this one as well. But normally if I do one, maybe in the morning, I would apply the rosehip oil as well. But yeah, that is it for our skincare routine. I'm gonna now pick up a little perfume. Smell good. Oh, man. Benny is coming in with the lip balm. This is the Blistex one. It doesn't say on the packaging, but oh, it's this one from Blistex. Oh, I'm also gonna take down my hair or this head wrap so that my hair can dry. Just okay. And also some hand moisturizer from Rituals. This is the Ritual of Karma. Benny brought that. Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Benny.
You're welcome, Jenny.
Okay. Why are you so in a hurry to leave?
I'm not in a hurry to leave.
Okay. Anyways, my hair is washed, and after I washed it, I applied the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture. It's one of my favorite moisturizers. I think this week I'm gonna just keep my hair. I'm gonna wear my wigs, I think. So I'm not gonna do too much to it. It's winter time, or not yet, but like it's cold outside, you know? It's cold outside, so I'm not gonna do too much. Just gonna claw clip these twists, put them back.
Mag ik nou weer bakkenetje doen?
Oké. Is het weer tijd?
Yep.
Alright. And that is it for skincare, hair, and all of that. We are now gonna start working on dinner. First I'm gonna get some perfume, but then after that we're gonna start on dinner. And I also am gonna journal, set some intentions for the month, reflect on November and all of that. You have seen me doing that before. There's a vlog where I explained how I do all my journaling and stuff. So I will link it right here or here, so you can check it out if you are interested. But I will show you some B-roll of me doing it. So yeah, that's that. Let's get some perfume. What are we gonna do today for perfume? I think I'm gonna go with Cinema today. Cinema by Yves Saint Laurent. We're not going anywhere. It's just for funsies, but it's a very chic and elegant bottle. And this smells soft, I would say. Like, let me smell it. This smells like a sexy lady. that has a lot of money. That's what it smells like. I forgot that my first video went up because it's now, and I need to go promote that video. So I'm gonna do that now, post it on my other socials, and let everybody know that there's a video ready. So let's go do that.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath.
So Amiga, I put on this thing because I was a little bit cold, but the first Vlogmas video is a fact. It is online and it feels really good to have it up. So what I'm now gonna do is edit a little bit, wait for our food to be done, and then after dinner I'm gonna do some journaling and set some intentions for the month. I also need to wash some makeup brushes. Like, when do I not have to wash makeup brushes? It's so annoying, but I need to wash them because tomorrow I want to do a little get ready with me. So I have to get the brushes clean that I need. So I'm probably gonna do that later, maybe off camera. You know how that works, you know how that goes. So yeah, I might do that later off camera. But yeah, now I'm just gonna edit a little bit and try to get my shit together for Friday's upload because we need to stay on schedule. And in the meantime, I'm gonna wait for dinner.
This week, tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time.
Alright, Amiga, I have been editing this vlog that you're watching right now up until this point. I finished dinner a while ago and I feel like now it's time to do some journaling. I'm gonna try to journal as much as possible. One that I really want to focus on is the shadow work. I spoke about this before, that it always triggers certain emotions. And yesterday I was also talking to Benny about this, and I told him that there are certain things from my past that I don't really want to talk about and I don't really want to think about, and sometimes that I'm even afraid to write in my own journal. And I think that really stems from being a Black woman, being the daughter of a very strict Black woman. My mom always taught me that whatever is happening, you always need to be strong. You should never let people see that you feel broken, that you're sad, and things like that. And I think like that really formed me with this habit that I just never want to talk about things that bother me. And I made myself a promise, and also I spoke about it with Benny, that from now on I'm gonna try to write everything down, and when the journal is full, we are gonna go and throw it into the river or something, or we're gonna burn it somewhere. And I think that's a great idea, because why I'm scared to write certain things down is just like, there will be a day that you will die and people will read your journal and form an opinion about what they have read in your journal. And that frightens me kind of a bit. Like, I don't know, I don't want people to look into my head and see everything that I was thinking about. Like, that's just something that I do not want. Anyway, I didn't mean for this to turn as very sinister like this, but I feel like certain things like this I should talk about sometimes, because I don't feel like there's many people talking about these type of things, and maybe there are more people thinking like this. So if you're afraid to write in your journal, write in your journal, put it somewhere safe, and burn it when the journal is full. Burn it. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna write. I have a cup of tea, and I also cut up, me and Benny, some apples. So I have that to snack on while I work on my journaling work. girl finished doing all of the journaling, and I found this in my cabinet, a chocolate mug cake. So I thought it would be fun to make that as a treat for myself. So I'm gonna make that now. And it says that I only need to add milk. So I'm gonna make this.
They don't even know me yet, but that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love into dreams, baby.
I did it. Let's put it in the microwave and let's see what happens. I have my own recipe that I normally make, but this like already mixed up shit. I don't know about that. And I think I'm gonna watch, I don't know, a Christmas movie or something. You know, close off my night like that. The finished thing. Let's see how this is. I think it's actually pretty good. Like, look, it looks like a cake though. It also tastes like cake. Yeah, it tastes really good. Anyways, Amiga, I think I'm gonna close this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching day 2 of Vlogmas, or video number 2 of Vlogmas. The next video will be on Sunday, so stay tuned for that video. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. I'm now gonna just watch some Home Alone or something and eat my mug cake. But I'll see you on Sunday. Mwah! Bye!